select Redact from the top toolbar. Now, use your cursor to draw a rectangle around 16 FAM 310. Click Apply in the top toolbar, and then save the document. Okay, here are the steps to redact all instances of doula in your PDF. Access the Redact tool. Next, click on Find Text in the top toolbar. Type doula into the search box and press Enter. Now, click Mark All in the Find Text dialog box. Next, click Apply in the top toolbar and click OK to confirm. Finally, go to File, Save As, and choose a new name for the redacted PDF file.